Hey guys, this is Beauty of Natural Beauty and welcome back to my channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how I incorporate rice water into my wash day routine. And if you're new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up and do not hesitate to make comments. Thank you and please stay tuned. All I have in this container is normal rice water. Yes, the normal rice we eat. So all I did was to get little quantity of rice, rinse it off for the very first time to get off the dirt, then kept back the rice in a container and added little water. I didn't measure the rice, I didn't measure the water. Added little water and allowed it to sit in for a whole day, 24 hours. This would allow it to ferment, and this is how I get the nutrients out of the rice. So this is just the simplest form of getting your rice water without having to go through any other form of stress. And trust me, it doesn't smell, there's no bad smell coming from it. It's just fine. It's just fermented water. It's nothing you cannot handle. Then I'm just going to be offloading the rice water into a spray bottle because that's the best way for me to get it into my hair. And afterwards I am going to wash my hair and then show you how I had the rice water into my hair. So let's get right into it. So I have my hair already sectioned into medium twists, and this is how I'm going to be washing my hair. Yes, that is the method I'm going to be using today. So this is my go-to shampoo, Hair Wonder Natural Shampoo. It's purely herbal and it has the instruction use without conditioner, which is one of the main reasons why I love this shampoo. I really don't have to look for conditioner when I'm done, and it's extremely cheap. If you stay in Nigeria, it's just 800 naira. Trust me, it's that cheap. And it has some settlements down the bottle because yeah, it's purely herbal. And this shampoo makes my hair really soft, makes it shiny, gives it life, rejuvenates every dead part of it. It's just one of the best shampoos I've ever used. So I am going to make my hair wet first, obviously, because that is how the shampoo is going to show its effectiveness, wet hair. Then as you can see, it's very foamy. Little is enough. You really don't have to use much because of its should I say foamy properties. It's really foamy and it just gives you that bubbles when you're using it, and it smells really nice for a herbal product. So I am just going to massage the shampoo into my scalp because the last hairstyle I made, I had a lot of product building because of my low porosity hair, and I really want to make sure that my roots are very clean. So I am going to be avoiding stories that touch later on. So this is what I'm just going to basically do, massage the shampoo into my hair, and yeah, then I'm going to make sure I wash the front of my hair, especially my edges, because I have some gels that already are dead to the edges to make them sleek as I can make it, because my edges don't always cooperate. So I'm going to make sure my shampoo reaches my edges, then massage through my scalp to make sure it gets to the right places and it's just not sitting at the tip alone. And afterwards I am going to be loosening out the twist and combing it out. Yeah, this would allow for even distribution of the shampoo in my hair. You could basically decide not to section your hair into many twists like I did, but trust me, you would eventually want to, because when you want to add the rice water, you might want to have them in sections so you would be able to spray the rice water to the necessary places. So now the shampoo is evenly distributed, as you can see, and it's making my hair really curly. It's making a 4C hair look like a 4A hair. Yeah, that's the wonders of Hair Wonder, from the name. And so I'm just going to comb and then twist the back, and I'm going to do this to every part of the twist. I'm going to loosen out the twist, comb it from the roots to the tip, from the tip to the root, to make sure that it's evenly detangled. The shampoo leaves my hair very soft, so I don't have to use my hands or my fingers to necessarily detangle them, and it doesn't hurt to comb because, like I said, the shampoo leaves my hair soft. So I just do this to make sure that my roots are not detangled, and when I'm done I just twist back my hair. So I'm going to be doing this till I'm pretty satisfied, because sometimes I like to be a perfectionist when it comes to my hair, and this is just the only way I can be satisfied and fully assured that I have the shampoo everywhere in my hair. Well, I only do this when I want to apply rice water, because this is not the first time I'll be using rice water. It's not the second. I really can't remember how many times, but I know it's just until recently I started to incorporate it into my wash day routine. So I'm trying to rinse off the shampoo. This really took some time because you can see my hair is in twist, and I needed to make sure that my hair is pretty clean. And so I was on it for a while. Now my hair is clean, and you can see my edges, everything is looking laid back. Like my hair is looking like I fried it or I cooked it or something. This is what the shampoo does to my hair, really. You can see it's slick. And now I'm going to be going with my rice water, so I'm going to have to loosen back the twist, and you can see how coily my hair looks already just by applying the shampoo. What if I apply a coil activator cream or something? Well, wonders of hair wonder. So I'm coming through my hair for you to see how soft it is, and this is one of the wonders of hair wonder. It really leaves my hair pretty soft. So Yoruba would say Ibiarila day, we've come to where we say we will go to. So I'm going to be using the rice water, really, and you just want it to get to everywhere in your head, on your head, around your head. Just make sure it gets to your scalp, your roots, the tips, everywhere in your hair, because you want the whole part of your hair to grow. You want every side of your hair to grow. So I'm going to just do that and twist my hair again, and I'm going to do this for the rest of the hair. Loosen up, apply rice water, then twist back, and that's it. So for the front of my hair is pretty curly, really, and this is hair wonder. God, I don't know why I'm really advocating for hair wonder. It's just really good. I've been using it for a very long time, and I've never for once regretted using it. And yeah, so we'll do the same routine. Spray the rice water into the hair and then twist back. So this is what I'm going to be doing for the rest of my hair. So now I'm done twisting, I'm done adding the rice water. So I just want to go round overall, adding to my edges, every part, and now I'm done with the rice water. Hold on. Okay, so you want to use a shower cap for at least 20 minutes or 30 minutes or 1 hour, for as long as you can wait. And I'll see you after I rinse off the rice water. So I'm done rinsing off the rice water, and see my hair. It's quite dry. It feels dry, looks dry from the rice water, I think. But that's why I have my Cantu leave-in conditioning repair cream. It leaves my hair very soft and moist. Now let's see the wonders of the rice water. Very coily, very shiny, very soft. You see, that soft part is what kills me, because you see the smell on my face. It's just one thing that rice water really does to my hair. I really don't know why I don't use it almost every time, but I guess I'm going to start using it every time now. I really like how it feels, how my hair feels in my hand. So I'm going to just go in with the leave-in conditioner, because my hair feels dry and I just want to keep it moisturized with the leave-in conditioner. It's one of what the leave-in conditioner does. So after this, I'm going to braid my hair instead of twisting it, because I realized that braiding my hair stretches it rather than the twist, which you'd actually be seeing the difference pretty soon. So it's like one way to stretch your hair. Braid it instead of twisting, and it's going to look longer, trust me. It's not going to look longer because it has to look longer. It's because your hair is long, actually. You get my point? Anyways, so I'm going to apply leave-in conditioner to all parts of my hair and just repeat the routine. God, see how soft and coily my hair is. Like, take a look. Rice water doing the most. And then it just leaves it so soft. Like, I don't have to stress to comb my hair. I can easily go through that hair softly. Oh Lord. Anyways, that's just what I'm gonna do to all the parts of my hair. Comb out, apply leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to braid it. Then you're going to see a very big difference between the braids and the twists. You'll notice that the braids is going to make my hair longer because that's actually the length of my hair, if not more. Well, more actually. So it's going to make my hair longer than the rest of the twists, and this is just another means to stretch my hair rather than using a blow dryer or hair straightener or those heat emitting stuff, or another method which you'll be seeing in my next video. So I'm just going to be applying the leave-in conditioner to my edges because sis, they need to grow, they need to be moist. I can't keep them dry, you know. So after this, I'm going to use olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. I'm just going to use the common Goya oil, which has the extra virgin olive oil in it, and I'm going to apply this all over my hair as a sealant to seal in the moisture, to seal in the leave-in conditioner. And you don't want to apply too much so your hair is not doing shurun like oil. You're going to fry oil. So I'm going to be using a satin bonnet to cover my hair because that's what's necessary, and I will see you after 2 days to show you my hair. So this is my hair after 2 days with the combinative powers of the leave-in conditioner and the rice water, looking cooked, looking stewed, looking peppered. You don't want to try me. So it added volume to my hair, and although I'm going to be stretching my hair after this for you to see the real effect. And until then, thank you for watching this tutorial. Please hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.